Hi, welcome back to another Mixology Monday. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee. I'm going to show you all how to make that Barbados Rum Punch today.
All right, that's how you make the Barbados Rum Punch. This drink is so good, mainly because I really like the coffee rum we make.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite rums. But tell us about this drink.
Another classic rum drink. Again, thanks to Smuggler's Cove for inspiration behind this recipe. Normally, like in this drink in particular, and a lot of other drinks, it calls for Demerara syrup. Sometimes, you basically got to make that yourself. You got to go to Walmart or Whole Foods or wherever and find Demerara syrup. If you can't find Demerara syrup, turbinado is a great direct replacement to it. But I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit, and I used a little bit of our coffee rum instead. So I used 2 ounces of this in the drink. This is for one person. This is a low-proof thing, so you can kind of do that and get away with it. And yeah, so it makes a great drink. I found out coffee works a lot better with fruit juices like lime and pineapple and all that, way more than you might automatically think. So give that a try. Try coffee and all your different tropical drinks.
Yeah, whenever I saw the recipe, I was a little shocked to see the fruit juice with the coffee. I wouldn't think to mix that, but I will now be mixing it from now on. It's great. So this is definitely a drink you guys should try. If you want to learn how to make some more cocktails just like these, you can check out the cocktail classes that Lee puts on here at the distillery. They're super fun and you learn a lot and get to drink some great rum. So you can click the link in the bio below and to sign up. But until next time, cheers.